So guys, here is the Bass Evolution Stark True Wireless Earbuds. I have ordered it through the official website of Bass Evolution. I'll give the link in the description below so that you guys can check all the products in their website. Use my link and use my code TechDeep, that is capital TECHDEEP, for 10% flat discount on all orders that you make through Bass Evolution. So guys, if you purchase from my link through the official website, the coupon will be automatically applied. TechTeep coupon will be automatically applied, and 10% discount will be reduced from the total amount. But if it doesn't come, then you can manually type TechDeep in coupons and get 10% flat discount. So without any delay, now let's unbox it. So guys, this is the earbud that I will prefer you under 2000 rupees if you want to enjoy music. So here is the packet from Bass Evolution. Here it's mentioned that it has got 5 hours playback time, built-in microphone, magnetic charging case, water and sweat resistance, and the model name is Stark. Okay, so guys, the price of this earbud is around 1800 rupees, but you guys can get flat 10% discount by applying the coupon TechDeep. Okay, let's see the other features. Here it's mentioned superior sound quality enhanced with AAC for Apple, Android and Windows, ultra lightweight solid casing, and rock solid wireless performance, and non-stop music and calls up to 5 hours, sweat and waterproof, IPX5 rated. Okay, so that's it of the main features. And one of the greatest feature that I want to mention is the snug fit design that I will show you guys. First of all, let's unbox it. Okay, so here is another box. The packaging are decent. Okay, let's open it, and we get the charging box, as you guys can see. Let's keep it to the side. Other than that, we get, okay, I think it's a micro USB cable for charging the earbuds. Yeah, this is a micro USB cable. Let me keep it to the side. Other than that, we get extra ear tips, 2 pairs of extra ear tips. That's nice. Let's keep it to the side and focus on the earbud itself. So okay, so this is the Bass Evolution Stark. And saying about the charging case, it is compact guys, and it is lightweight. Okay, so let's open it. And inside the box, as you guys can see, left and right earbuds are mentioned. And guys, this charging case can fully recharge these earbuds 2 times, so that's great. And the battery backup of these earbuds are also pretty decent. And if we look at the build quality, the charging case is made up of plastic, and here we get a button, and in the back side we get a slot for charging it. So let's open it. Actually, the charging case looks pretty good, and in the earbuds also we get the blue and red LED. So totally it's having a great light effects, as you guys can see. That's nice. Okay, so now let's take out the earbuds. Okay, so here you guys can see the magnetic charging portion inside the charging box. So let's close it, and now let's come to the earbuds itself. So as you guys can see, it's having a snug fit design. The main reason why I love these earbuds is the design of these earbuds. It's very comfortable for our ears guys. It has got a snug fit design, and I don't think that many brands are providing this design to your earphones. Look at the design guys, it's awesome. And guys, we can adjust the ear tip as per the size of our ear. We get extra 2 pairs of ear tips, and this is absolutely lightweight. And this is the auto pairing mode, and it will automatically sync after the auto pairing mode. And the main reason of any earbud is the sound quality. I should say that in terms of sound quality, this is the best earbuds that you guys can buy under 2000 rupees. That is after applying all the discounts you get for 1750 or 1700 sometimes. So okay, this is the best sound quality earphone that I have used under this price range. The bass is highly emphasized in these earbuds, guys, and you can hear each and every instruments in every song that you play using these earphones, because it even plays the minute instruments via these earphones. So guys, I haven't seen any other earbuds which are capable of playing even the minute instruments in songs. So for that I should give a thumbs up for this earbud. And the sound quality is good for music, guys. It's one of the greatest earbuds that have reviewed, but I don't think that it is great for gaming. Yeah, it is good for playing PUBG and all, but for gaming I definitely prefer you to buy a gaming earphone rather than a music earphone. So this the sound quality, I should give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5, considering the price range, because the bass is emphasized and the each and every instrument voice you guys can hear using these earbuds. So for the sound I am giving 4.5 out of 5. And talking about the charging case, the charging case is also great, guys. For the build quality also I am giving 4.5 out of 5. So in order to place it back the case, we will have to keep it like this. Okay, so it's simple to charge also. Okay, and we can close it. And the quality of the earbuds is perfect for the price. The quality of the charging case is good, it is compact, and the light effects are also good. It gives two red indication while charging, and here also there are two blue indications where indicating the amount of battery inside this charging box. So overall I will definitely recommend you guys to buy this earbuds. So guys, this is a must buy gadget, so I will recommend you guys to buy from their official site rather than buying from Flipkart or Amazon. I'll give the link in the description below of the official site, so that you guys can check these earbuds, or if you want you can go for the higher variant earbuds also. So do check the link, guys. And also you guys can get 10% flat discount on all orders placed in Bass Evolution using the coupon code TechDeep. So do apply it, guys. I think it will automatically get updated while you are placing a order, but if it doesn't happen you will have to enter it manually as TechDeep. So do check it, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to the channel for more tech unboxing and gaming videos. Hope we can see in our next video. Bye, guys.